What's good, guys? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? How you guys doing? How are you guys doing? Let me see. 1 minute. How you guys doing? Let me know in the chat if you can hear me loud and clear, right? Just type a 1 or something and help me confirm if you can hear me loud and clear. We are back on the stream. It's been a while. It has been a while. It has been a minute. It's actually been a minute. How you guys been, man? How you guys been? Good morning. Good morning. I am looking at gold right now. There's an area of interest right here. Let me show you here. It stretches all the way from back this side. I'm just gonna stretch it from here and then just put it across to like somewhere right there. I'm gonna put it's an area of interest right there. Are you guys able to hear me loud and clear, right? Is it good? Can you see my screen? Is the stream lagging? Just let me know on that. We live on TikTok and YouTube. Yeah, man, we're back on the stream. It's been a while. Yeah, let's like the stream. Let's go. Someone says let's like the stream and welcome him back. Let's like the stream, guys. Let's freaking go. Let's like the stream. It's good to be back here. And I'm back to stay. I didn't run away. I'm back to stay. Alrighty, let's like the stream. Let's go, man. Let's like the stream. We're gonna have some amazing conversations as usual. I lost my phone. I want to join back the VIP. Yeah, send my admins a message. They're gonna get you inside. Send a message right now. You're gonna get back inside and just fulfill everything that they want you to fulfill. You send your details and all that stuff, confirmation, and they're gonna let you inside. Yeah. Someone says, let's make some money. Yeah, let's make some money. Back to the money room. This is the money room. Alrighty, guys. If you check here, gold is this was FOMC. Sadly, I was on the plane when this was happening, and I thought I wasn't going to be on the plane by the time, but I missed it. But it's cool. It's okay, right? This happened yesterday. Price moved all the way down. Crazy amount of points if you were to check. This is roughly around like 1,000 points FOMC. I hope you guys got this. I hope you guys got this. If you didn't get it, I don't know, man. But I think this was a very good one. And then we have London right now. Is retesting this level twice. I see a trade here already. You might think maybe this is going to be too quick, but I do see a trend. I'm just waiting for this candle to close at not half past 8. I'm waiting for this candle to close in the next 10 minutes. Yeah, in the next 10 minutes. I do think price should go down. Yeah, I do think the price should go back to this area. Alrighty, but I'll let you guys know when I get into a trade. So I totally think price is bearish. Yes, I totally think price is bearish. Welcome back, boss. Thanks, my man. How have you been? Hope you've been making some money. Let's see. Bro, what's happening here? Okay, we got it. Okay, there we go. Okay, not bad. The volume is coming up. So we're gonna wait for price to just like maybe close at not half. Why do I keep saying 8:30? In the next 10 minutes, because I do think that this is a good confirmation for sell right now. If price can go below here, all right, close below here. London sessions retesting Asian session high, failed to break that. We also equally have, look at this, we have a Fibonacci level 61.8. It's a very important level, in case you didn't know. Very, very strong level. Very, very strong. It holds the price most of the time. I would say most of the time, not all the time. What's this guy saying here? Okay, there we go. I missed the live. You didn't miss the live. Oh, you missed the live. Oh, you missed them? Like you missed them. Okay, we're back on the stream. We're totally back on the stream. Totally back on the stream. I'm already in the sell on lower time frames. Okay, cool. I was gonna get in here. I want to wait for the first 50 minutes candle of London to close bearish. What's FOMC? FOMC is the Federal Open Meeting Committee. You need to do a research on that. It has to do with interest rates, briefings around economic performance and all that stuff. It was happening yesterday around 8 p.m. And that's what caused this. That's what caused. You see the job here is FOMC. That's what caused that. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Let's like the stream. We're back to default settings. Let's like the stream, guys. Let's go. I'm going to call out some trades here soon. All right. The strategy doesn't change. It's all the same. Times can pass by and whatever. Just do the same thing. Because it's proved itself. You guys have seen it a couple of times. I personally, I've witnessed this. So I don't change anything. Yeah. I just hope we get the entry right. This candle is going down. I hope we get the entry right. Because the entry is supposed to be right somewhere here. That 50 minutes candle, man. Look at that. This candle is going down now. Wow. Okay. Do you think it's going to sell? Yeah, I do think it's going to sell. I think gold is going to go down. What happened after FOMC was a correctional move to the upside before I think a push down should come. So it's going to be more volume if we break Asian sessions low. It's going to be more volume, especially when we break Asian sessions low. Just don't forget this Asian low here. London just retested the, not really retested, but like it opened around close to the high of Asian. So it should go down. And there's a critical area. Look at this. This level goes all the way back. It's this whole space here been holding the price, right? Yeah. For lack of a better explanation, I'll say that this candle should be our entry candle. All right. Closes bearish. Put a stop maybe here, and then look for like maybe a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio or something. Yeah, I think so. But price could go down. It could extend lower here. I'm just gonna look for 1-to-3 risk reward ratio, and maybe I should be good. But I'm not in the trade yet. I'm waiting for this candle to close. If you're in the trade, I get you. I totally understand why you got in. I totally understand why you got in. What time frame is that? It's 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Time frame. There we go. You can see this now, right? Yeah. Much respect from Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is a beautiful country. It's got beautiful people there as well. Beautiful country. How's your stay in SA? It was good. I went to do some business. Been a while here. Yeah, it's been a while. I couldn't stream because I was away for a bit, and now I'm back to my trading room. Back to my trading room. Yeah. Are you gonna look at Nasdaq? Yeah, I will. Right now, I wanna focus on gold because it looks like it's got an entry coming up soon. Let's like the stream, guys. If you're on TikTok, YouTube, let's freaking go. Let's like the stream. Just tap the screen, and I'm gonna be here for a bit. Streaming from Nairobi. Nice. Nairobi is equally a beautiful place. So far this month, NFP and FOMC have moved bearish. Some weird reason, yeah. Good morning, sir. Good to see you. Hey, man. Hope you're good. At least you survived the xenophobia. Yeah, I wasn't going to get into that. I wasn't. I think it's the places you go to, man. I think they matter as well. Not everybody's like all xenophobic there. It's just some of the places you go to, I think. You have to avoid going to those places if you don't belong to that country. Okay. But hey, leave them with their country, right? Guys, let's look at the charts here, right? I'm here for the charts. Should be a trade coming up here. I'm just trying to check if my account is still where it is. Okay, still have 10 grand here. Good. I'm waiting for this candle, guys. If it closes bearish, it might be a good one. I think maybe we should like put our stop slightly close to the area of interest if it does, and then maybe like have a much extended reward area. Yeah, that's what I think. Maybe have something like this. What do you think? No two ways about it. I'm looking for sells on gold. I'm gonna send this trade as well to all our platforms as well, so that everybody gets it, right? Yeah, if we win, we win together. If we lose, you know. What the hell is this? Okay. Welcome back, Mr. Nas. Hey man, how you doing? I'm Italian but living in China. Mastering the Asian and London station. Nice. The best stations to trade. Totally the best stations to trade as well. Yeah, guys, I'm getting into a trade here, right? Yeah, I'm getting into a trade right now. Yeah, trade at your own risk. There's no guarantees here, as usual. I tell you guys that. If you want to get the trades that I'm getting, you can just do it at your own risk. Also, you can just risk money you can afford to lose. That's how we always do it. Pretty much, I'm risking money I can afford to lose right now. I'm gonna risk like 2,000 here. No, not 2,000. 1,008. 1,008. Did you sell? Yeah, I did. I sold just now. I sold just now. Let's freaking go, guys. I think it will reach 42.82 and see some reaction depending on the CVD. I don't know what CVD is, but yeah, whatever you're saying, maybe it's correct. I do think price should go down here. There's an area of interest right somewhere here. This candle's closing in a minute. I'm gonna put my stop right above somewhere here. 43.24. 43.24. You hit that. That's my stop. Might not be your stop. Okay. You could push your own stop if you want to. That's my stop. All right. It's my stop. If price gets there, get stopped out. But I'm in a trade now, so let's see how it goes, man. Let's see how it goes. I didn't have to think twice about it. I saw it. I was like, hey, you know what? I think this looks convincing, and I think it aligns with how I trade. So I'm just gonna take it, and I just took it. I don't double think if I see something that aligns with how I trade. Let's make some money, man. Let's go. Make back all the money spent. We're winning, Mr. Nas. A link up with Mr. Nas. Maybe soon. Pretoria. I was in Pretoria. I was in Pretoria as well. I spent a couple of days in Pretoria. I had some work going on there. Then I went to Sandton. I spent a couple of days there. I had some stuff going on there as well. Yeah, pretty much. But I didn't face any of the whole xenophobic situation. I think it's in some places. Yeah. I think it's in some places. What's your view on Nasdaq? My view on gold is this. I'll go to Nasdaq soon. All right. Can I join your Signal platform? Yes, you can. There's links everywhere. I think in my description. Yeah, there's always links somewhere in the description. We always do that stuff. So you can easily just click the link and join if you want to. Where's your TP? I have a trade plan on the screen. You can figure it out from there. You see the whole blue and red thing on my screen is a trade plan. So it shows where I'm targeting and where I am getting in and where my stop is. It shows you the top 3 important information: my stop, my entry, and my exit. 3 things. It shows you very important information. You can critically see this. I have an entry right there. I have a stop somewhere here. I have a target somewhere down here. So I don't need to shout out all this stuff because I just, you know, I put this here so I know you understand how to read most of these things. Yeah, man, let's go. Let's see if we can make something. I do think that the, you know, gold can extend its losses below 4,200. That's what I think. Yeah, but I think it's gonna, most of the volume is gonna come when we break this session's low, Asian session's low. Yeah, I don't mind I don't mind seeing low volume now and whatever, but I do think that most of the volume might come in when we go below Asian session's low. Probably. Let me see. Yeah, we're getting into a spot that has, this area has the highest volume. It'll just hurt if maybe something like this could happen, right? It'll hurt if this could happen and then that happens. Yeah, that would suck. I bet we got into the trade at the right time. It's London station. Prices below a certain area. But hey, just risk responsibly because anything is possible here. All right, this area has lots of volume. Sometimes I've seen price trying to come back to areas like, you know, it's below here quite a right, then it just tries to come back and then, you know, does something like that. Yeah, so just bear in mind. Right, look at this. The volume there is crazy. There's lots of volume around this area. Lots of volume there. So it means the price should push bearish. If it got there and it's turning around, it should push bearish off that level. Yeah, let's see what happens anyway, man. Just trust the trade plan and just, you know, yeah, risk responsibly. What's your TP level? Look at my chart. This is pre-London. Be careful of manipulation coming. This is not pre-London, brother. Joseph, this is not pre. No, it's not. It's not even Joseph. Who's this guy? Oh, the comment flew by. I don't know where. I can't even see it anyway. But this is not pre-London. Who told you this is pre-London? This is London station right now. London starts every day at 8. So this is not pre-London. Pre-London was at 7. It was at 6. All right. This, brother, is London station. All right. And then New York starts at 2 p.m. Asian starts at 2 a.m. every single day. Welcome back. I personally missed you, Sab. Oh, thanks, man. I miss being here. Okay, I miss talking to you, man. Okay. And now we're back here. So yeah, let's see if it can make a difference. Was anybody streaming while I was away? Were they also streaming? Like, were they giving you guys trade setups? No, they weren't. Wow, why? I thought I gave them a chance to do that. The PLC is yesterday is 43.37. Okay, I don't understand what you mean there. You saw PLC. I don't know what that is. The level of volume in London comes at 10. No, London starts at 8. Yeah, the volume can come in anytime. It has no specific time. It can come in anytime. It can come at 10. It can come at 11. It can come anytime. Yeah. Man, we're still in drawdown now. Yeah, we're still in drawdown. I have a minor level here. If you see it, I have this. Currently is a resistance level. I'm watching this level too. This is one of the reasons why I got in the trade as well, because price is like literally below it, and yeah, didn't look too bad. Let's see if it can be that bad. This looks like NZD USD pair movement. Yeah, pretty much because of FOMC. Most of the gold, most of the pairs that are paired with the dollar probably look the same. Yeah. Asia China market closed at 15. Coming on the live stream, finding the same setup with Mr. Nas. Feel good. Nice. Risk responsibly, man. The motion is not motioning yet. Maybe the motion will motion soon. Yeah, but the risk is not that much. It's not that much. Price retested the level twice. No, 3 times actually. First, second time, third time. I doubt it will go back there. I doubt it will want to go back there. If it does, that'll be a shock. I doubt it will want to go back there. If price retests the level twice, 3 times, it most likely might not want to come back there unless it's ranging, unless it's starting or a range all over. But it rarely does stuff like that. Price retests the level twice, it might not go back there. Price retests the level 3 times, 4 times, it might not go back there. Price retest the level once can go back the level. All right. But if you check here, price retest this level once, twice, 3 times. I don't know if it's gonna go back. I don't know. But hey, there's always something new. Let's look at Nasdaq. Okay, cool. Look at Nasdaq soon. Streaming from Kampala. Okay, nice. I think momentum has changed, or better wait for a good sweep. I don't know, man. Just took the trade based on what I see, and then, let's see what happens. There's fresh supply over there. Okay. If you're in a trade, set partial profit 42.85. Move a stubborn and have fun. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Whatever you're saying, yeah, it is what it is. I'm taking advantage of this trade. Yeah, you better do. I think it's a good trade. Respecting the 15 minutes FVG. I don't know about FVGs, but yeah, I get you. I came late. Did you take the trade? I think I did. Yeah, I did. Let's go, guys. Let's like the stream, man. Let's like the stream. I'll look at Nasdaq shortly. I'm trying to respond to something, guys. Just give me a minute. Always working on something, man. So it needs a lot of my attention and all that stuff. Are you holding this trade? Yeah, I am holding this trade. I like how Mr. Nas100 bothered by people's comments. It shows his absolute confidence in what he does. Yeah, bro. Like, you see this all the time. I let people have their opinions. Opinions are like belly buttons. Everybody's got their own size. Did you hear of that before? Opinions are like belly buttons. Everybody's got their own size. Let people have a different belly button size. Okay? It doesn't mean they're not human. They just have a different belly button size. All right? So let's just embrace people's opinions. It's good to embrace the opinion. Don't let it change your mind about whatever, right? Just don't. The fact that somebody comes around the table and says, hey, you know what? I think let's not do it this way, doesn't mean you should change what you discussed earlier. That's not how you run things. All right. So if a person comes around and gives their opinion, well, you can listen to them, but doesn't make you change your decision based off what they say. Even if I came on the stream and you had a different analysis, don't change it because of me. Okay. Just stick to it because you know your urge better than I do. All right. Because in trading, we've built an urge, and that urge is what gives you the confidence to make execution. Yeah, so let's just have some fun, man. Like, I come here for fun and, you know, to help you guys, you know, understand what's happening. Give me a second, guys. 1 second. Let me respond to a call now. Alrighty, let's go, guys. Let me look at Nasdaq, right? Volume profile is better than everything. There's always something better than something. There's always something better than something. How long are you live for today? I'm here for as long as I can be here. Is there any news today? I don't know. I don't know, to be honest. I don't know. But we'll check. We'll find out soon. Yeah. Yeah, this candle closes in how many seconds? In like few seconds, like 20 seconds. And they will be closing very soon. Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm dealing with a few things on my side, right? So just pardon me. Jumping on calls and all of that stuff, and I didn't even expect I'll be having a call this time around. Yeah, but it's human nature. How long are you trading? As long as maybe trades play out, I'll just, be here. As long as trades play out, I'll be here. I'm going to look at Nasdaq shortly. How many years have been trading for? More than 6-7 years now. Yeah, I've been trading for that long. Let's look at Nasdaq maybe. What do you guys think? Let's check out Nasdaq as well. And are you still holding the trade? Yeah, because I entered right here. I think we're like maybe like 30 points, 40 points drawdown. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe this is yeah, like 40 points drawdown. But price is not broken this resistance level. So unless it does, maybe we can start questioning the trade. As it stands, I think I'm just gonna stick to the, to my bias for now. Yeah. What can change my bias completely is, let me show you. What can change my bias completely is if price goes above this level. If we can cross above this level, my bias can change completely. Yeah. Meantime, I'll stick to the same one. Yeah, I'm gonna stick the same bias for now. Yeah. Did you share the trade to your platform? Yeah, I did. I always do. So you can see there. This is the trade that we took. My stop is 43.25. 43.25. You see that? That's literally my stop. 43.25. This is my entry here. 42.99. You can see the same thing here. The entry is there. My first TP is 42.85. And then the rest follows, right? So yeah, pretty much same trade, same everything. We just wait for it to play out. If it doesn't, then we're good. If it does, well, we're good too. Let's see what happens. Anyway, let's look at Nasdaq anyway. Let's check out more assets, guys. What do you think? Let's check out more assets. And I know some of you guys trade like different assets, and because you do, I like to also look at them with you. Yeah. This is Joshua from Uganda. Do you give signals? Are they paid? I have free and paid signals. You can choose which ones you want to join. If you want to join my free signals, you need an Exness account that's open with the link in my description. And then you need to fund the account. And then I'm going to add you to the signal platform. The one you saw on the screen just a few minutes ago. There's a huge gap here too. You guys see this gap? There was a gap. It was filled rather. There was this gap here. I'm just seeing this. It was filled. And I think after it got filled, price was just like correcting. It was correcting across this level. There was a low point here. There was a high point right there. So it was correcting across this level. It came all the way down to here. Right? Came all the way down to here. And I do think that this is still a bullish market. It's not bearish. I don't see anything bearish here, to be honest. But I think we might need to be very careful with where we get in, like the entry points and so on. It's the most critical part of trading, I think. You can get analysis right, but as soon as you get the entry wrong, you can mess up everything. You can totally mess up everything. Yeah. So we need to wait to see if we can get an entry. So far, it looks like there's a range on the left side. And it does look like the only time price leaves the range is above this level, right? Yeah, I would say you put your eyes here because there's an area of interest right there. In as much as there's a level that's holding the price right now. So if you check, there's a level right across here. All right. This level is holding the price right now. This one's holding the price. If price was to maybe, let's say, if it was to like, let's say it went below this level, okay? If price was to go below here, wait, okay, there we go. If price did something like this, I know it can go down. Yes, it can go down to this level. Only if it came below this level we put. But if it doesn't, I think and highly think, what's happening? Okay, cool. I highly think that this is bullish. Yeah, so we can say price can push up across here. Most likely, I think during relaxation or something. Yeah. How to access it? There's links in the description right now. Check them out. Can you get into a buy here yet? No. You can wait for price to break Asian session high. Okay, maybe go to like a 50 minutes time frame and observe how the candles are closing here. Because they're closing side to side, but there's the most recent area is this Asian session high. This one. So wait for price to cross above it, then it can maybe push up. Yeah, it's my thoughts, guys. My thoughts. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but those are my thoughts. Yeah. Gold is back to the entry. Oh, it's getting back to the entry rather. It's getting back to the entry here. We'll see what happens. Let's go, guys. Let's like the stream. Let's go. Let's like the stream. Then I'll be here for a bit. Let's like the stream, guys. Someone says, when are you hosting the strategy course? I think end of this month. Yeah, end of this month. End of this month. Yeah, we're getting back to entry, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Trading is a game of patience. You wait, markets flow, markets do their thing, and then you know, markets prove if we are right or wrong as time moves. Yeah. So we just give it time and see how it works. Where can I get my certificate? You need to contact my admins for that. Charles, you need to contact my admins and they will try and assist you. I can't assist you because I'm not in charge of that. I have a team that pushes different buttons. So I don't press all the buttons. So just contact my admins, Telegram, WhatsApp, and they're gonna assist you. They'll help you figure out how you could get it. It looks like 5 years. I don't trade without footprint charts. Okay. How much strategy costs are? I know a lady who you mentored and she's really doing wonders with gold out here. It's $199 and it's once off. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Yeah, I'll look at BTC as well. Someone says look at BTC. I will check it out. I give you guys a perspective on literally all assets that I trade, at least most of the ones that are on my watch list. So I'll try and analyze BTC too shortly. I will do look at it. In the meantime, we have trades on gold. I'm just trying to respond to something, guys. Just a minute. Okay, there we go. Gold is slow. Yeah, it's a bit slow now. What pays this? Gold. That's a bit slow for now. Simplicity is the ultimate profitability in it. We're begging that this month or this year shouldn't be the last time for your strategy course, as we saw earlier. Go out November. No, I have a bunch of things coming up, so I weave off some and then just like move on to other things. Yeah, so this it must be the last month actually. So don't beg. You don't need to actually. It must be the last month. Got a bunch of things on my hands, man. Like I've got a bunch of things on my shoulders as I speak. So when I take in students, I want to make sure I can be there and like just make sure I educate them in the moment when I can, and then give them the time that they need, and not overpromise nobody. So that's why I just cut off some things when I need to, because I realize I might not have the time on my hands to do them. So because of that, I might not be able to do it. But I'll do the last one for this month. Yeah, I'll do the last one for this month. Yeah, gold is still playing around this area here. Can I enter the trade now? It's up to you, man. All up to you. Do you compare gold with the XY when trading? No, I don't do any of that. As the war between US and Iran finally ended, I don't think it's ended. It's still going on. The tension is reduced, yes, but I don't think it's ended. Can you check out BC? Yeah, I will. You have any news today, guys? Let's see. Let's see. This was yesterday, FOMC, Wednesday. Today we have unemployment. Well, we should have unemployment claims. Okay, this is for the pound. We should have unemployment claims somewhere. It's not showing here. Yeah, it's not showing here. I don't know. I guess we should. Gold imports fall to 25 to 30 MT a month after duty hike. Banks no longer designated importers, says government sources. This is from India. Okay. This is from India. Yeah, I don't know how this is gonna affect this, but yeah. Are you still back in the SA? What do you mean, am I still back in the SA? Am I in SA? No, I'm not. I'm back home. My country. The most beautiful country. No, let's not say that. But it's one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Yeah, let's trade, guys. Let's trade. Let's go. If you have an Essence account, send me a message on Telegram or what? WhatsApp. I'm going to add you to our VIP platform absolutely for free. All right. So we do have a VIP platform, which is the platform you're seeing on the screen. I send trades. I share most of my trade there. Some of the trades that you guys don't get, I share them inside here. Like, look at this. You guys didn't get this trade anywhere. These guys got it. You guys didn't get this trade anywhere. These guys got it. You guys didn't get this other trade anywhere. These guys got it. We made about how many points? About over 300 points. I think even close to like 400, because this whole, yeah, in fact, we did 400 points. 400 points. All right. I share most of my trades inside here. So make sure you send me, I think I'll say you send a WhatsApp message, or yeah, I think there's a WhatsApp number somewhere down here, or you can send me a Telegram message, and then we're going to add you to the platform. All right. Going forward, I'm very active starting off today, setting trades, and obviously educating people around these markets and just trying to see how we can all grow together. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Have you closed the position? No. I'm not the type to prematurely close positions. There's no reason yet to close the positions. I am still holding the position. If a candle traces more than 50% of the previous candle, there's a high chance a trend reversal. Does this include the wicks? Yes, it does include the wicks. No news. China markets almost closed in 10 minutes. Okay, bro. Could you kindly explain by once off? Once off means you don't pay that ever again. You get access to education. You keep getting access to ongoing education. 80 courses that will come after that. You probably get access to them as well, so you don't pay anything again. Please have a look at BTC. I will. How old are you? I am 27. Yeah, and I am turning 28 this year on the 23rd of December. Yeah, I'm a grown man now. Totally grown man. Alrighty. Would you say you're the best trader in your country? I don't know. I'm trying to read some of your comments, guys, here. What strategy do you use? This is simple price action. Station-based price action. Simple station-based price action. Because everything I do is around stations, most of it. But there's a lot of price action involved. So that's what it is. It is what it is. Man, I've got a hectic day today, yo. I've got things on my plate, like a lot of stuff I need to get off. Away from trading, guys, I do a lot of things as well. I recommend that for you too. Like, just, you know, spread your wings. Spread your wings. You can't totally depend on one source of income. It might be good, but you just can't depend on one source of income. You definitely just can't. So I spread my wings personally. And I do that obviously to avoid, like, you know, that days you lose money and it hurts and you're like, oh, you know, I lost 10,000, lost 20,000. If you have other things going on, you only feel the pinch. Yeah, because then you know, there's always that confidence booster, you know, like, you know, you're doing other things too. Trading is not the only thing you should do. I'll be honest with you. Trading is not the only thing you should do. Yeah, trading can be the main thing you do. Personally, it's the main thing I do. It's not the only thing that I do. All right. So, but just so that I don't, you know, I don't squeeze myself so hard, I spread my wings. I recommend that for you. I do recommend that for you. Has a gap been swept? I don't know what you mean. You started trading when you were 20, I think somewhere there. Can you join the VIP without an access account? No. If you can, you need to pay. Yeah, you're gonna pay to join. If that makes sense. Yeah. Man, this trade has been playing around this area for a while. It has been. What a Thursday morning, you know. There's a level here that I'm hoping it doesn't break. This level here. Yeah. Let's just, you know, see what happens. Only time will tell. This is BTC. If you look at the 4-hour time frame here, yeah, you can send a WhatsApp message. You join the VIP right away. As long as you have an Access account, just send a WhatsApp message and you're like, hey, I want to join the VIP and stuff. If you don't have, you can register one with the link in the description. BTC has been bearish more, and let's see. I want to look at the candles that are closing here. Yeah, this is still a bearish market. This is still totally a bearish market. It looks like it. I look for most of my entries on lower time frames because I want to get in without so much of a massive error in execution in terms of not knowing exactly where to get in. All right. And also I do that because if I'm wrong, I want to cut my, you know, my losses quickly. Yeah. I don't want to hold my losses for like a very long period of time. It's just my nature. All right. But hey, if you look at this now, you realize that we have this area here. Okay. Fibonacci can be, you know, pushed across here because then price is kind of like retracing back to, there's a level somewhere here. Can be here too. Yeah, there's a level right there. But we're going to just reference, we're going to reference this, which is the 61.8. Still acts as the same level in this case. So price is going here. I think we should observe what happens when price gets there. Yeah, because then, truth be told, this could be what happens. This could be what happens. BTC USD. This could be what happens. You can watch the charts as the day unfolds. In case I leave the stream, yeah, watch out for this price point. 64,300. 64,300. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna put it here like this. Where? Bro, where's this thing? Okay, there we go. Yeah, watch out for 64,300. That level could hold the price from going further up to the upside. Good. A lot of you guys send me messages asking me to trade your funded account. You know, I don't trade for people, all right? Let me make this clear to you. I don't trade for anybody. I trade my own money, all right? So don't send me a message. I see that a lot. Like, my admins tell me this too, and I see it. Like, some guy right now is sending me a message, is asking if I could manage his funded account. It's 5K. Bro, I don't want that. Like, I can't, I won't even do it. I'm too busy with my own money to just start managing your funds. Learn how to trade. Look, I've got a free course. Links is in the description. Get that course. Learn how I do this. Implement it on your account. All right. I don't trade for nobody. Please don't just send me a message and like, hey, can you trade for me? I've got a $50. No, I won't trade for you. Okay. I'm not in a position to do that actually. Yeah. Let me respond to something real quick. Yeah, I keep turning on and off because I'm having some conversations here too. Yeah, gold hasn't moved much, man. It hasn't moved as much. The whole hour we've been here, it's stayed around one area. Look at this. Yeah, the level is holding 2. That resistance level is holding 2. Yeah, there's this level here. I'm just gonna wait and just see. Maybe we still have a chance at it. Maybe we still have a chance at it. Yeah.
Can we try maybe with contact? Yeah, let me know.
Okay, that works. So let's try and do it. Let me get it for you now. There's something I'm working out, guys. Something I'm working out. Yeah. HVAC. Now I don't do any of this stuff. What time frame is this? This is 50 minutes time frame. The one loss is more important than 10 wins. Learn about the loss and study why you lose and don't do it again. Okay, bro. Watching from Kabwe. Nice. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna exit the stream briefly, then obviously switch it on again soon. I just need to attend to something real quick that needs a little bit of my attention and a call that I need to jump on. All right. So I'll be back in a bit. I'll start a new stream on the same stream. What did I say? I'll start a new stream on the same stream. Okay. I'll be back. Just give me like, let's see, give me like 20, 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm still holding the trade anyway. But if you're in this VIP, I'll update you guys on what's happening. And yeah, this is the VIP here. So join in, update you guys on everything that's going on and what I'm doing with regards to trade management and all the stuff, right? But I'll be back in the next like 20, like 30 minutes. All right. Yeah, so alrighty. I'll be back here in a bit.